All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where you learn real English and actually enjoy it. I'm Sarah, and today's episode is a little special because we are not talking about textbook English. We're talking about real-life English, the kind of English people actually use every single day.
Oh, no. You mean the kind of English that makes me say, I understand all the words, but I still don't understand the sentence.
Exactly that kind of English, Jack. Today, we're talking about English slang you actually hear. You see, slang is one of the biggest reasons English learners feel confused. You study English for years, you know the grammar, you know the vocabulary, and then a native speaker says something very simple, and suddenly your brain just freezes.
Yes, like when someone said, that movie was sick. And I thought, why are you happy? Is the movie in the hospital?
Perfect example. And don't worry, by the end of this episode, slang will feel fun, not scary. Slang is informal language. People use it with friends, coworkers, classmates, and sometimes even with strangers. It helps people sound friendly, relaxed, modern, and natural.
So, if I don't use slang, will people think I'm weird?
Not weird, but maybe a little too formal, like you're always in a job interview. For example, you can say, I am very tired today. That sentence is 100% correct English. But in real life, people often say things like, I'm exhausted, I'm wiped, I'm dead.
Wait, people actually say, I'm dead?
Yes, and they're still alive, I promise. Let's talk about some slang words you hear all the time. One very common word is chill. Chill means relax, calm down, or spend time doing nothing stressful. You might hear, let's chill at home tonight, or chill out, it's not a big deal.
So chill is like relax, but cooler?
Exactly. Another very common phrase is hang out. To hang out means to spend time together. For example, do you want to hang out later? Or we hung out all weekend.
I used to think hang out meant hanging from something.
Many learners think that no one is hanging from the ceiling. Now, let's talk about a magic word, stuff. Stuff means things, objects, activities, responsibilities. Basically everything. You can say, I have a lot of stuff to do. Or put your stuff over there.
So stuff means everything and nothing at the same time?
Exactly. It's very lazy English and people love it. Let's move on to full expressions people really say. One of the most common ones is no worries. It means it's okay. No problem. Don't stress. For example, sorry I'm late. No worries. Thanks for helping me. No worries.
I hear this one a lot.
All the time, especially in Canada, Australia, and the UK. Another very common phrase is what's up? And no, it does not mean what is above you. You might hear, hey, what's up? Not much, you?
So the answer is usually boring.
Yes, and that's completely normal. Now, let's talk about slang at work. Slang isn't only for friends, people use light slang at work too. One important word is deadline. A deadline is the final time something must be finished. You might hear, we have a tight deadline, or the deadline is tomorrow.
Deadline sounds scary.
It is. Another common work expression is touch base. It means to contact someone or talk briefly. For example, let's touch base tomorrow, or I'll touch base with you later.
English has a lot of sports language.
Yes, baseball everywhere. Now let's move to internet and social media slang. One of the most famous ones is lol. It means laughing, but not always actually laughing. You might see, that was funny lol, or I spilled my coffee lol.
Sometimes people aren't laughing at all.
Exactly. Sometimes lol just means I saw this or I acknowledge this. Another very common one is DM. DM means direct message. You can't say, send me a DM, or I'll DM you later.
This one I know.
Good, you're leveling up. Now, an important warning. Do not use slang everywhere. Don't use slang in job interviews, serious emails, or academic writing.
So I should not email my boss and say, "What's up, dude?"
Please don't. Also, remember, some slang is cultural or very informal. If you're not sure, listen first, then copy slowly.
Like learning dance moves.
Exactly. The secret to learning slang is exposure. Movies, podcasts, YouTube, and real conversations. You don't need to memorize everything. You just need to recognize it. Don't worry if you don't remember everything from today. The goal is not memorizing slang, it's recognizing it when you hear it. Little by little, real English will start to feel familiar. And one day, you'll realize you understand more than you think. Thanks for spending this time with us, and we'll see you in the next episode of All English Podcast.